Today, we're pitting two AI titans head-to-head to see which one reigns supreme in the world of human-like text generation. Welcome, everyone. In this video, we're diving deep into a comprehensive comparison of Google Bard and OpenAI's ChatGPT, two of the most influential AI language models shaping natural language processing. Stepping into the ring, we have Google Bard, Google's conversational AI. It's built on Google's Lambda family of language models and aims to be a creative collaborator, offering informative and engaging text across a wide range of topics. On the other side, the champion, ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's GPT series. It's renowned for its versatility, from crafting compelling narratives and detailed explanations to even simulating conversations with remarkable accuracy. Let's explore their core capabilities. When it comes to pure creative writing, Bard often shines with its imaginative phrasing and ability to generate novel ideas, while ChatGPT excels at delivering coherent and well-structured content, especially for more factual or technical outputs. A key difference lies in their data access and training. Bard, being a Google product, often taps into real-time information, allowing it to provide more current and relevant responses. ChatGPT, while incredibly powerful, is primarily trained on a vast data set up to a certain point in time, meaning its knowledge base might not always be the most up-to-date. When it comes to use cases, both are incredibly adaptable. Businesses are leveraging Bard for customer support and brainstorming marketing copy, while ChatGPT is a go-to for developers building AI-powered applications, content creators for drafting articles, and students for research assistance. Understanding the nuances of these AI models is crucial for harnessing their true potential. Whether you're looking for a creative spark or a precise answer, knowing their individual strengths allows you to choose the right tool for the job. The impact these models are having on natural language processing is undeniable, constantly pushing the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve. Which AI do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below.